Welcome to the virtual award ceremony for the Long Island and its Watershed, What It Means to Me art contest. This is the 24th annual edition of this wonderful event. And as Chief Executive Officer of NESS, I have to tell you, this is one of my favorite times of year. Seeing the wonderful artwork from students from kindergarten to 6th grade talking about how they experience and how they're motivated by our wonderful watershed is absolutely fantastic.
Year after year, the imagination of the students is just amazing, and we continually encourage teachers to educate their students about Long Island Sound and its watershed. While NESS organizes this contest, it would not be possible without the support of our sponsor, Dominion Energy.
Working to protect the environment is part of who Dominion Energy is, and we believe it is important to teach young students how to do that. We have been sponsoring this calendar for years and are continuously amazed by all the talented submissions. This contest is a wonderful opportunity for students to explore their talents while learning about their home environments.
We'd like to thank the judges panel, volunteers, and all the parents and teachers who supported these amazing artists.
One of NESS's core values is stewardship of the environment. And we're pleased to be able to engage students in stewardship, expressing themselves on what Long Island Sound means to them individually. I'm sure you're going to find the artwork is wonderful, intriguing, fun, but also expresses a significant motivation for these students to learn about the water, because that's what NESS is, engaging students in learning about the water and helping them learn about themselves. So please join me in this wonderful edition of Seeing the Results. Thank you all. I hope you had as good a time as I did looking at the wonderful art. It's absolutely inspirational and incredible. Now, once again, please mark your calendars for next year because I'm sure it's going to be even better. Thank you all to the artists, importantly the teachers, and the parents who enabled this to happen, and certainly NESS staff. And one final thank you to Dominion because they really enabled this to happen. We'll look forward to seeing you next year. Thank you.